Welcome to recording 1 and the Canvas site review video. If you notice, we've begun here under the Modules tab, under the Welcome Center. Hopefully you've already watched the Welcome video as well as the Syllabus Course Review video. This now is dealing with the Canvas site review video. So one of the main areas that you're always going to be going to when you first log on is the home page. This is what will show up once you enter this course on Canvas. It just has the basic information of the class as well as the first page of the syllabus, which is sort of all the really important information about required materials, the objectives for the course, as well as the main course code, course title, and office hours. The announcement section, which is the next tab, is a place where important announcements will be placed. So far I've given you one announcement just as sort of an introduction to recording. If you look under announcements tabs, I've also included the statement on headphones, and that deals with purchasing or using an open ear or reference level pair of headphones for class listening, lab work, technical ear training, and critical listening assignments within the Recording 1 course. If you go to the next tab, it is the Syllabus tab. Not only does this allow you to view a PDF version of the entire syllabus, but it also then gives you a summary of upcoming assignments, whether they're quizzes or labs, and when they're due. Right now, it only has the first week's assignments due, but as we progress, this will be complete and you'll know exactly when every assignment and every project is due for the rest of the semester. The module tabs, which we started off in, has the wonderful Welcome Center that I've put together for you, as well as a section on headphones that not only has a statement on headphones, but also has this great link to a site where you can actually look at the frequency response of different types of headphones, which may aid you in the purchasing or understanding of the headphones that you already have. If we go back to modules, we also have the technical ear training modules in here. I have a little bit about or an explanation about the different ear training modules, what it is, what it's involved with, as well as I have all the modules in this section as well. So we have one right here for the technical ear training module frequency or parametric equalization, which we'll be doing first in the semester. So also in the modules, really important areas for each week, I will publish not only the lectures and learning objectives, but also quizzes for each topic, as well as the lab and the lab instructions for each topic. So if you notice here for the first lab, here is the actual assignment, what you need to do, and where you're going to actually paste a link for the final lab. Here under Lab 1 Basics of Audio Editing. It also has the rubric in here so you know how you're going to be graded on that particular assignment. One of the other things that you'll find here under week 1 is also lab instructions. This here is a step-by-step process which includes help videos and walks you through how to complete the labs for each given week. I believe for the first 2 weeks we'll only have 1 lab per week, but then after that we'll have 2. And these labs, of course, are moving towards our final project, which will have you actually creating a creative project within Pro Tools. The discussion board is not propagated yet, but this will be a place for, in the syllabus it mentions discussions and giving each other feedback on your projects. This will be an area to do that. Of course, there's the Zoom meetings. We won't have any synchronous meetings during this class. But if we do, I know towards the end of the semester we will plan to have one to review everyone's final projects, and this will be a place you'll be able to find the link. I will also send you an email as well. People, you can see who else is in the class and contact them, which is a lot of fun. You can also go into your grades. Right now the grade book only has the first 2 assignments that I put up on here, but you can go through here and see what your current grade is. And see if you're missing anything. There's also pages and files which deal with different content that I'll put on the Canvas site. And then finally, there's the quizzes section where it shows you what upcoming quizzes you have and when they're due. Of course, all this information will be contained within each week's module, so you'll know exactly what the learning objectives are for each module, different lectures, as well as required reading and specific quizzes and labs based on that topic. So once again, if you ever have any questions or you need some clarification, if you return to this Welcome Center module, not only can you see a review of the Canvas site as well as the syllabus and my welcome video, but you can actually click right here and this will take you to my Calendly schedule, and it will allow you to actually go and book time with me. You can see here I have some time available on Wednesday, and you as a student can go here and book an individual time with me. When you do that, it'll ask you to enter your name and email and then just give a brief description about why we're meeting. When you do that, you'll get a notification from me that I'm confirming the meeting, and then it will send you an actual Zoom location to show up to at your given time. So with all this, I think the class should run pretty smoothly. Some of you maybe are not familiar with working with Canvas, but I think you'll find it does everything that Blackboard does, but just 10 times better. And the user interface is not only better on a computer, but is a lot more user-friendly on your phone as well. So let me know if you have any questions. Schedule an appointment with me during my office hours via Zoom, and we'll go from there. I think it's going to be an exciting way, an exciting tool to learn about recording.